Okay. This is not the hotel.
Captain Mujib, the Black Pearl is yours to command. Well, technically mine, which yours in spirit thing.
I was at dinner.
They've heard of you, of course. Everyone has. The review was, and I mean this, destiving.
What review? What review?
It will terrify him. There is a man, the most feared pirate on these any other seas. His name, and I want you to appreciate the weight of this name, is Barbossa.
Is that supposed to mean something to me?
Magnificent.
So your plan is I pretend to be someone I'm not in front of a man I've heard of on a ship I've never been on, wearing...
It will terrify him.
So I pretend to be someone I'm not in front of a man I've never heard of, wearing this.
The captain's platter had no real flavor. The rice was unforgivably dry, the fish overcooked and unseasoned. The staff dressed as pirates wearing running shoes. The ship wheel on the wall was plastic. I have seen better Maritov authenticity.
He knew. He always knew. The running shoes line. Extraordinary. Extraordinary.
You wrote a review of a restaurant.
It had very dry rice. The ship wheel was also plastic. I stand by everything.
Jack believes you are the most dangerous man on the seven seas.
What do you believe?
I cover for you. I tell Jack nothing. You do exactly what he needs you to do in front of Barbossa. When this is over, you go home. Those are the terms.
I have a better idea. What is something he has never seen before?
All you have to do is stand there, look like yourself. That is enough.
That is genuinely the worst plan I have ever heard.
This is your legend. The most feared critic of the seven seas. Prove it. Prove it.
Something you have never seen before. It belongs to you now.
Eu, never. Belongs to those.
For what it's worth, the rice line was the best thing I've read in years.
It was genuinely very dry rice.
Go home, Mujib.
Jag along that second visit than last time, better, more convincing. Nothing well then. The staff more vincing, 2 stars. Still not real piters.
He didn't give me the charger!